Let's record it today, a plugin that uses stable definition. To make a cartoon, this is the GitHub address. It could have 11.9 stars. We copy its name. Click on this extension. Click the Available Search. Remove this category. Search for it in the search box. You can see I have already installed one of these. It has two. If you choose one of them to install. Click to install. After the installation is complete, to restart. After restart, you can see this plugin in this dropdown. But this model inside it or download it separately. We download the model here. Model, just put it in the extension folder under this root directory. After installing the plugin, there will be this folder automatically, and you can fit these 3 prototypes in there. You can point to one of these. After restarting like this again, drop down here to select your model. And then we type in the keyword here. Enter reverse hint. To be faster, we are here. Choose this small size. Okay, I'll use this web image to show it. It's not enabled here yet. Our husband becomes a picture. Okay, the picture looks like this. Remember his random seed. You can copy it here. You can also press this green one. He's going to replicate this himself. We fix this picture. Put it back and animate it. Click to enable this plugin. Here, 8 frames are 1 second. We input 16 frames. That leaves 2 seconds of video. Everything else remains the same. Remember to tick this? And then we hit Generate. Check his log. It says here, use it to generate this 15-frame animation. Generating now. Hey, this is already a mistake. It should be 16 here. Let's turn this off. Don't worry about that. We regenerate. Remember to divide it here. Check the log again. It should generate 16 images. If the memory is small, or if the debugging parameters collapse, he will appear in this mosaic. You can see that these 16 images have been generated, rendering to animation. So, this is what we're going to do with the 2 seconds of animation. As for how to make it smoother, when you need to modify your forward prompt and reverse prompts and some other parameters, but I won't continue to record here because I haven't found this way either.